Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you had a good Tuesday, December 21st. We're going to talk about loopring a little bit, some spy, potential Christmas rally, GameStop, no volume, sub up, like up, comment down, Happy Money sticks around. We have a Twitter at Happy Money YT. You can follow us on there. Then we have a Discord server with a link in the description. Yeah, starting off, apparently Loopring is all set up for basically GME to, I think, use them for the dividend, for an NFT dividend, or whatever speculation there was with Loopring. I think they've basically done their part. I think they've released and launched everything that they've needed to. So I don't think that GameStop is waiting on that anymore. I think it's basically all in GameStop's court now. So if there is going to be news on something there, maybe that'll be coming soon. Yeah, so we'll just have to wait and see. SPY today, pretty big epic bounce. Started kind of volatile in the morning and didn't look like it was going to be great, and then just started rallying. Right now Biden's talking and telling everyone to get vaccinated, and it's just grinding up on that. So GameStop, super low volume. Coming into the holidays, typically volume really just slows down the overall market. So we're seeing that, I think, everywhere, as well as GameStop, of course. SPY still looks like it's bearish to me, though. On the longer time frame on daily, we got bearish MACD right under the 9 here. Like to see what happens once we get up to, maybe it'll fill this gap, 466 or so, before it comes down or consolidates. But yeah, I've got bearish play still. The triple top up here and bearish indicators. I think it's gonna keep kind of coming down little by little. Tesla was the other one we have plays on. So I actually have like an iron condor on this. I have both ways for credit spreads. Bullish here. I have bullish plays on them, but that needs to go like 9. Needs to come like up here by Thursday for those to work. I'll show you guys those. But I also have bearish plays with 17 days of time. Those you need to get some down here. So basically I'm still bearish on Tesla, but it's just having a little bounce. But you can see how cleanly it stayed below this 9 moving average on this bearish trend for a few weeks now. GameStop still bullish. Pickle's dates might let me down again, but still bullish. So the TA is bullish on it, and so I can't blame it too much. It does look good. Our daily still hasn't flipped over, so I'm gonna be watching that. Probably tomorrow this will flip over if we close high enough tomorrow. So then we'll be that will be better. Basically you have tomorrow and then Thursday, so Wednesday, Thursday, 2 days with this thing green and green over the 9, green histogram. I will feel more comfortable about the momentum is now shifted, and that this isn't just a consolidation before another leg down, like something back here at this kind of little rally, and then consolidation down, or consolidation and then down another leg, or back here. So I'm hoping it's more something like this. Yes, where we rally like that, or it's like we're at this spot right here, or maybe right here. Yep. So sale delivers, ETFs, rollovers, all that stuff. I think a lot of it is still kind of pointing to the next 30 days for a rally. Pretty much similar to last year. So let's see, here's December. Oh, this was the day. No, tomorrow is the day. Remember I said that day I'm gonna get exposure. Watch the other video. So today would be the day to get exposure. I already have exposure, so I'm golden. Yeah, if we have a big day tomorrow, that will be pretty funny. We might We very well could. This was a big day, December 22nd, 2020. So, yeah, we'll see. And then, kind of, if we do have a big day tomorrow, I'm gonna hold last year's price action to a higher standard in my evaluation of what we're gonna do this year. But it looks like last year then we had about 2 weeks of consolidation and then kicked off January 13th. All the way until February. So you get monthly contracts, you can get weeklies, because there was a week of consolidation there too, actually. Big spike then. Ivy was probably crazy then already, but not as crazy as it was here. So figure out how to play it. I don't feel like we're gonna get another pinch. If we do get big price action, I think they've shown us that they can keep it from hitting that 350. When I say pinch, I mean like a big price action and then come back down, like this 350 resistance. I think here they showed it that they're able to fail to roll or whatever and just kick the can, and then again here to where they don't even need to get up to that 350 level. And I don't think they can. I think if we get to 350, I feel like we're probably going to blow past it. Might get a little bit of slowdown there just from people selling, because some people definitely be selling there. But I have a feeling if we get that high, it's going to be just on our way up. So could be coming soon. Before that happens, though, I am not convinced that this is still a bottom. I'd like to see again this crossed over. So I still have cash. We did sell some puts. Check out the options here really quick. So today all I did was bought 3 SPY puts before that epic rally. Yep, I did not believe in the Christmas rally, but I could be wrong. I don't like buying SPY puts. They're down 58%. Yep, in just a couple hours. What do you know? And here's our bearish play that was up 30% or so yesterday. Could have closed it. Figured I'll just ride it. I'll roll it if I need to. This is a 462, 463, so I need SPY below 462 by Thursday. So yeah, on this rally today, we're at 462.5 now. We'll see. Might have to roll it. GME, I sold this put yesterday. We talked about that. That's what's nice. Is it yesterday? Yeah. It's only Tuesday. Sold this yesterday. Now it's up 52%. So, and I could have even made another 200 or 300 on this if I timed my sell much better, but no worries. Yeah, so I'll keep this. If we drop below 155, I will either roll this down to a lower strike, or I don't know, maybe just let them get assigned. This 157.5, 165 put credit spread. This is the one I'll be rolling if needed, if we don't get up there this week. This is the February zebra we were talking about, which gives you 100 delta in yesterday's video. Go watch that if you haven't. Notifications didn't go out and the premiere didn't work, so I think most of you didn't see yesterday's video, but I talk about this option play, which basically gives you, it's basically just like 100 shares. So what's nice about it is if you bought a call yesterday, and if it was out of the money at all, even if it was in the money, today it's worth probably 30% less for the same date. This, though, isn't. This hasn't lost any value because it's basically like shares. I don't have to worry about time decay. There is an expiration, but yeah, if it goes up, it goes up. It just stays, it's 100 delta, so it moves with the stock. So even this one, which expires in 2 days, look, it's up 13% today, or total. Today it's down, what, 0.5%, but this will just move with the stock. This one's not perfectly 100 delta, I don't think, just based on this chart, but it's close. Yeah, so this one I don't know if I'll hold it till Thursday. I might. We'll just see the price action in the next couple days. So this one basically is like, because this is two zebras. The zebra is two 75 delta calls, long calls, and 150 delta short call. So I've got 4 and 2 here because I've got 2 of them. So it's basically like holding 200 shares. And this, I mean, this one did cost some money to open up. This cost 4,500. for 2 of them. But what's nice is my break even on it is 153. The exact dollar that, basically the exact dollar that it was when I opened it up. So, and that's at expiration, right? So, less stressful trying to time stuff. And yeah, it does take capital, but yeah, so that's that one. And then here's the short put that I sold. And then here's kind of this wide spread that I opened up. This 165, 205. We do need some action for this thing to work. Not a huge investment, but yeah, this last couple days of basically flat hasn't helped that play. And then of course we still have our shares on here and our other shares. Wish, I made a wish, 13% today, 14% on Wish. Yeah, I like Wish. I think it's tremendously undervalued. I think this might have a huge turnaround at some point. Birds up a little bit today. What do you know? Rocket had news. I shared in our Discord. They bought someone or merged with something. Can't remember. Seemed pretty bullish though. Rocket company buys Truebill for 1.275 billion. Yeah, kind of interesting article there. Talking about Truebill and what they do. Not a whole lot of movement on Rocket from that though. LBiz shares are up today, which is nice. Yeah, a lot of things are just kind of rallying today with the market. So here's Tesla. So here's my bullish play, 910, 915, or no, this is my bearish one. This one's got 17 days of time. So I'm finding I want more time on my credit spreads. I can't just try and do these like real short, quick little weekly ones always. More time, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, and then just dipping out once TA, once I think it's hit the bottom or the top, whichever way I'm going. Or if, I'm not sure and it's close, just once I'm up maybe 60, 70% and then calling it and closing it. That works probably a better play than these super short dated ones. But yeah, so this one, speaking of short dated, this one's very short dated. 2 days on this. This is the bullish, one of the bullish ones, 960, 970 on Tesla. I think Tesla actually now in the short term still can rally. Just like the SPY probably can too. On the hourly, yeah, we've got bullish on all fronts. I think we had a RSI divergence here too. Yeah, kind of right here. I don't know if I should even look at it on hourly anymore. The RSI divergences, they've kind of been annoying me. MACD divergence here and here, as well as this hourly. If you looked at that on the 4 hour, I bet it'd show up. Yeah, there you go. So on the 4 hour too. Hasn't crossed bullish there, but on the hourly it is bullish. So I expect Tesla to probably rally or maybe gap up tomorrow and then kind of have resistance and come down. Maybe like this day, or maybe it keeps rallying and breaks through that 9 moving average. Yeah, so hopefully that 9, it'll have to be 970, which is kind of high, but it could do that quickly. Tesla's crazy. It could really rip crazy. Birds, we have the covered calls on birds. Those options swing really weird. These options were actually more expensive yesterday when birds was down. These calls, now they're up, and these options are cheaper. Doesn't make any sense. Got those wish calls. What was it? Anything else? Yeah, so our buying power's back. I mean, not. We've used some of it for these spreads and stuff, but oh yeah, Theta account. So I sold 180 calls yesterday towards close on that pretty good spike into close on the Theta account here, and then also on our Webull. So I also have these calls. Actually, I need to. It's weird how well these are holding up. I'm surprised. It's only down 62%. It's kind of interesting. The premiums, I don't know what the market makers are doing, but they are pricing in. It seems like they're pricing in a lot of action coming. So, and that's even just on this week, maybe. Oh yeah, and then on Webull we have I have a covered call in here too. So more covered calls, more safe stuff. If I can generate some income from these shares, I will be able to withstand holding this large of a position for longer. Because this money, a lot of it was producing income from real estate, and I sold my house. I didn't have that income anymore. I've just lost it on the market. So need to kind of flip it. If we're not going to squeeze right away, gotta somehow make money off this money. So cover calls and short puts and some safer stuff until lift off. That's what I got for you guys. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on Discord. Maybe big moves tomorrow. That would be sick. Where's GME? Okay, haven't mooned yet. Peace out.